Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I like to explain the algorithm/process for doing more complicated multiplication than the distributive property can handle, and explain how the steps are actually more complicated than large additions, as we will see as we do the steps. In particular, when you multiply two very large numbers, the convention is to multiply all the digits in the first number by the rightmost digit in the second number. Do it again for the digit to the left of it, but add a 0 to the right of all the numbers. Do it again for the number to the left of that, and then add another 0, and so on. And then finally, add all of your results together to get the final answer. The reason why this is done this way is because, as we saw with the distributive property in the last video, you can break a very complicated product into an addition of simpler products. So it should make sense that when we do multiplication manually, we would attempt to break it up into simpler multiplications and then add them together, as opposed to getting bogged down in details and not knowing where to start. In my next tutorial video, I like to explain the algorithm used for complicated division problems, which is called long division, because of how you have to do the division in a very rigorous step-by-step manner instead of getting a simple answer like 3 divided by 1 equals 3. And I will also explain how the long division method is more complicated than the longhand multiplication method discussed in this video, because of how division is more complicated than just following a simple algorithm, as discussed earlier. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.